The first person to go on trial on charges from the assault on the Capitol has been convicted on all counts. It was a pivotal victory for the Justice Department because it could create a blueprint for trying hundreds of cases like it. Scott MacFarlane has reaction to the verdict in the trial where prosecutors had almost all of the evidence on their side.
It took the jury less than 4 hours to convict Guy Reffitt of Texas on 5 counts, including carrying a gun to the Capitol grounds, obstruction of Congress, and interfering with police. He now potentially faces up to 60 years in prison. For days, prosecutors showed jurors a series of videos and photos of Reffitt at the front of the mob on January 6, 2021, though he never made it inside the Capitol. His own son testified against Reffitt, saying he was so frightened by his father's anti-government rhetoric that he tipped off the FBI. And he pointed to messages in which Reffitt bragged after the riot.
I felt so patriotic and felt like such an American doing what we did.
Reffitt didn't testify, and his lawyers didn't present any witnesses. One juror spoke with us after the verdict, asking we not reveal her identity. Did that matter to you at all that this man didn't take the stand and didn't present a defense?
It did. It did. The one time that we saw any emotion out of him was when his son took the stand. So, yeah, it did. It mattered a lot.
Prosecutors didn't just win this case. They potentially won new leverage over those still awaiting trial.
There will be many defendants who have seen this verdict, saw how it was returned quickly, unanimously, the strength of the government's case, and they're going to seek a plea deal, and they're going to seek cooperation as part of that.
After the verdict, Reffitt's wife told me she hopes other defendants are not scared into taking pleas.
The reason that we have all guilty verdicts is they are making a point out of Guy.
There's also a new high-profile January 6 defendant. Proud Boys leader Enrique Tarrio was arrested on Tuesday and appeared in a Miami court charged with conspiracy. He didn't take part in the riot, but prosecutors say he helped plan and direct the mob.
Tarrio's attorney tells me they have no comment but are back in court Friday. As for Guy Reffitt, his wife says they plan to appeal this verdict, but sentencing in the meantime is set for June 8. Nate?
Scott, thank you.